What's up guys, welcome back to another edition of Skatepark Lessons with me, JB, here at the Sunnyvale Skatepark. And today I'm going to show you guys 20 essential items to pack on your next skate mission. Check it out. Here's a list of essentials that I bring in my backpack with my skateboard when I go out with my friends on a day trip of skating and filming. Number 1, a reusable water bottle, plastic or metal, but no glass. Number 2, a fully charged phone. You can use it for a camera, directions, contacting your friends, and wasting your life away on social media. Number 3, your skate tool. Make sure that your skate tool includes the Allen and Phillips key for your hardware. Number 4, your skate wax. Make sure you keep your skate wax inside of a plastic bag to keep it clean inside of your backpack, and use it on spots when you need. You can use it on ledges, rails, curbs, and share it with your friends if they need some too. Number 5, extra skate parts. Please include some extra bearings, bushings, axle nuts, kingpin nut, hardware, nuts and bolts. Number 6, a utility tool. I use a Leatherman. It includes pliers and a knife, bottle opener, can opener, which you can use for anything that you need it for. Number 7, spare shoelaces. Always going to come in handy while you're street skating. If you tear your laces, or if you knee slide and snap your laces, burn through them, you can replace them with your extra set or use it as a belt if you need to, like I do right now. Number 8, a carabiner or an S-beaner. You can use these to clip your hat or water bottle to your bag, or if it's a dirty street or skate spot, you can clip your bag to a fence so it's up off the ground. Number 9, portable battery bank. Make sure it's fully charged before you take it with you. You can use it to charge wireless headphones or your phone if it dies while you're out. Number 10, snacks. Gotta have these for the munchies or when you're low on energy. I like trail mix because it won't get crushed while it's in your bag and provides good healthy energy throughout the day. Number 11, a clean hand towel. You can use it to wipe away sweat off of your face. You can use it for first aid if you need it. You can soak it in water and put it on your head on super hot days. And you can also use it to clean out water from a bowl or a pool or a spot. Number 12, an extra large black trash bag. You can use this to cover your board or backpack if you get stuck in the rain. You can also use it to put trash in if you need to clean up a spot or inside of a bowl or a pool. You can put that trash in there or even leaves to get them out. Number 13, a small bottle of hand sanitizer. Use this in case you get stuck somewhere where there's no bathroom, and you can use it to clean your hands, or use it for first aid if you get a cut or road rash while you're out skating. Number 14, some headphones. Make sure that you have the adapter if you need it for your iPhone. Use them to listen to music while you're by yourself, or listen to an educational podcast while you're waiting for the bus. Number 15, a beanie or a hat, depending on the weather. I like to use the hat for the sun, and it also helps keep my hair out of my face. Or use the beanie when it's colder out and it helps keep you warm. Number 16, a lighter, an essential tool. You can use this to light barbecues when you're in skate spots, open bottles, or melt your frayed shoelaces when you need to change them out. Number 17, bring a sweatshirt. This is awesome for when the sun goes down and you're sweaty, waiting for the bus, or it gets cold out quick, then you're prepared. Number 18, bring a lock and a steel cable so that you can lock your bag to a pole or a fence to keep it safe in an invisible location while you're skating by yourself. This is awesome if you are alone or you're skating in the city somewhere. If there's no pole or fence around, you take your bag and your friend's bags and you lock them all together so it's harder for somebody to steal it and run away because it'll be awkward with all those bags. Number 19, knee gaskets for extra support, knee pads depending where you're skating, if you're skating a big bowl or a vert ramp, and your helmet. Pads are important, especially if you need to think ahead if you guys are going to go skate an indoor park that requires pads. So make sure you call them and double check if you need to wear them. Number 20, your skateboard. Yeah, here are some extra items that you should probably include in your bag just in case. A small roll of duct tape. Use this to cover your shoelaces if you plan on doing knee slides with your knee pads. Some Advil or Aleve if your joints hurt and you're old like me. A stick of sunblock. It won't make a mess if it opens up in your bag, and it's super easy to apply to your face and under your eyes. Bring some extra cash just in case, your medical ID card for insurance purposes if you get hurt, and your ID. That way you have it if the cops hassle you. A fresh, clean Ziploc bag in case you need it for anything you need it for. A stick of lip balm to protect your lips from the sun or the wind while you're outside. Last but not least, you bring your computer and the charger so you can look busy while you're working from home. Please share this channel with your friends or anyone who would benefit from it, and they'll appreciate your consideration. These videos are expensive and we put a lot of time and love into making them for you. We also keep them free online to help more people. Please send donations so we can help more people by making more videos. Details are in the description box below. Leave me your comments with your location, including any questions you might have, ideas or lessons for future videos, and your thoughts or feedback about this video. That way I can continue to do my best to help you guys reach your goals. I hope you guys learned something new from this video and gained a better understanding of skateboarding. Please support me. Click the like and subscribe button to encourage me to make more videos for you every week. Thanks again for watching, and be sure to meet me back here for more of your favorite skate park lessons. What the? Yeah, ready? Number 20, your skateboard. Oh my God. Oh my God. Dude, it's just getting worse. Roll it, bro. Ready? No, roll it. And got a better understanding.